If you want to charge your POCO X8 Pro, the only way to do so is via USB cable. So in my case I have USB-C to USB-A, which is the same case for the original POCO X8 Pro cable that we have inside the box. But of course, if you want to use, or if you have to use a different cable, let's say USB-C to USB-C, then it is going to work as well. Unfortunately, wireless charging is not available on this phone. You cannot really wirelessly charge this device, hence why you need to use USB cable. Now, what you can use in order to charge the phone, so besides the cable, of course, the cable has to be connected to something. And here we can use pretty much anything that transfers the power via USB cord. So of course the best option, the most optimal option is going to be a power adapter. This is what you're looking for. This is what you need to use pretty much all the time, every time you want to charge the phone. And of course there are alternatives that I'm gonna mention in a second, but still, of course, power adapters are usually the fastest, the most reliable ones. So this is what you need to get if you don't have a power adapter just yet. Now, the only thing that you need to, well, maybe not the only one, but main thing that you need to take a look at is, of course, the port that we have on the charger. If you have USB-C to USB-A cable, the original one that you can find inside the box, then you also need a power adapter that has this kind of port. But if you want to use USB-C power adapter, then like I said, it is also possible to do so, but you would have to use a different cable. Besides that, if you don't have the power adapter just yet, but you need to charge your phone, or if you are somewhere and you forgot your power adapter, you cannot really use it at this moment, then of course you can use, like I said, anything that allows you to use the USB cable to charge things. This can be, let's say, your car, your computer or laptop, power bank, and so on and so forth. So the list goes on and on. Probably anything that can be charged with USB cable that has the option to transfer the power, then of course it is going to work. And of course, a couple of these options are better than others. So for example, if you use your computer, it is not really a good choice to charge the phone. Although it works and you can charge the phone with your computer or laptop, the charging speed is going to be very, very slow. So it will take maybe not forever, but it's going to take a lot of time to actually properly charge the phone. So, but still, if needed, if in a critical situation, you can of course use it. So once you have the cable and the additional tool that you can use in order to charge your phone with, then in this case, of course, we want to connect everything together. So make sure to do that. I'm just gonna plug it into the power. And then let's connect to the phone over here to the USB-C port that we have at the bottom. And there we go, we are charging. Leave a like and subscribe.